Welcome to lesson 0-2. Again, this is another tutorial lesson just for you to get some practice on how to view the videos and fill in the template for homework. So, I wrote our lesson and our essential question, which is how do you subtract numbers? Pause the video if you need time to write down the essential question. We only have one vocabulary word for this lesson, and that is subtract, which means to withdraw or take away. And again, remember that you need to write down every word in the definition. Again, pause if you need to. Here we are with example number 1. So this is one way that you can subtract. And one way is to count backwards. So I put this picture on here for you, which says to put the big number in your head and then count backwards. Now, I did say you need to copy down everything I write for the examples. However, since I put a picture, I only need you to copy the problem, and then I would like for you to draw some type of number line like this. It doesn't have to be with the frogs, and it doesn't have to be that fancy, but some type of number line that shows going from 7, subtracting 4 to get to 3. So that is one way that we can subtract. Again, if you want to rewind the video to hear that again, feel free to do that, or pause if you need to copy. Another way is to use counters, and we talked about this when we talked about adding. So if you have 6 minus 3, and I drew 6 triangles out here for you, you could do triangles, you could really do any shape you wanted. If you take away 3 of those, so if you cross them out, how many do you have left? Well, you have 1, 2, 3 left, and that's your answer. So I would like for you to copy this page, including the triangle picture, for example number 2. Pause if you need to. Here are your practice problems. Remember that I just need you to show your work, which these should not really have any work unless you would like to show me some counters or a number line, and then show me your answer. And again, we will go over those in class. And then don't forget to fill out the last part of your template, which is to write down any questions that you have or to create a word problem. Don't forget to include the answer to your word problem. The very last part is to rate your understanding. A 1 means that you're lost. A 2 means that you kind of get it, but you're still a little confused. A 3 means that you understand. And a 4 means that you understand it so well that you could teach it to someone else. I hope this tutorial video was helpful to you and you're ready to start our 6th grade lessons.